Hey everybody, today I'm going to be reading comments from Instagram, Twitter, and Vine. And some of them will be hate, some of them will be nice, and a lot of them will be funny. So, here we go.
Now, without further ado, we'll start off with Instagram.
Through a direct message.
Please quit Vine. Now.
What are your fears? Well, funny story. Ever since I read those scary things on Instagram, I basically had a fear of everything, so... Can I get your number?
Oh, Jesus.
Ladies and gentlemen, the ghost did that.
Any Hoodles is 1-800-411-PAIN. 1-800-411-PAIN.
Name your favorite word. My favorite word is Annie Hoodles. My favorite real word is pizza.
Name all your family members.
My mom, dad, brother, me, dog. What's your favorite movie? I got one for each genre. I got The Hunger Games for action and adventure. I got 22 and 21 Jump Street for comedy, and I got Paranormal Activity for horror. What grade are you going to?
The 6th grade.
What's your favorite TV commercial? I like back to school commercials. I'm just kidding. I like Flow commercials, which is progressive, and Popeyes commercials, like the restaurant. Okay? Okay. Are y'all single or are y'all taken?
Taken.
Thank you all again so much for watching. I hope you like, subscribe, and comment. For more of these, comment below what you want me to do next. I'll do anything for y'all's appreciation. So, bye.